because I was struggling. I was ready to give it up. And then came to the discovery day. It was quite emotional. I think it was because I felt like I was getting some help, but it focused my mind. And I thought, right, I'm gonna go again. I'm gonna really go for it. Set myself a target of £1 million. Anyway, I went and did that in the first quarter. That was my yearly target.
Remember my nickname. Fire inside of my...
If you follow this course, listen to what Paul has to say and turn up every month, it'll change your life.
So this month we've done 18 boilers.
18?
18, yeah. Last year I did 18.
Last year you did 18?
Yeah, and now this month we've done 18 already.
Right now I'm in peace.